Hi guys, in this session today I'll give you a very important trick of how to do data entry very fast and easy. Uh, Many a times, if your job is to do data entry and your table is about 20 columns long and you have got about 200 rows and you have been asked to do data entry for that, it becomes a very difficult job. You can either go to the last of the row and start entering data, or I will show you how to do it faster by using something known as forms. Now, I had already told you once in one of the sessions how to access those quick access tools. It is here. Now we will go here and we'll go for more commands. Now here you can see all the commands which are the popular ones, and the form command will not be the popular one. So I will choose command not in the ribbon. And I'll check for forms. It is here, form, add. Now it has come here and say OK. Now you see one form command has come here. Now what to do next? Unfortunately, it doesn't work because of some strange reason only for the normal grid of the sheet. You have to convert into a table. So we will select your table. This you have to do only for the first time, and it is already on insert. So we'll just click table and it will give some kind of a table name here, and we'll say, and we'll check. It is already checked. My table has a header, so it will understand that these are subheadings, and we'll say OK. Now our data grid has changed into a table. Now we will click on this form. You are seeing here, it has already picked up the first row of the of your table, and you can go for the find next. It will find next. Now if you want to do something new, just click on new and say item umbrella, date purchased, say 20/02/2020. Now either you can use mouse to go to the next cell, or you can just say tab. Quantity 66, price $3.50, GST 0.05, stock take date, say 25/02/2020. Present stock, we have not sold anything, so it is still 66. The stock cost, we can find it later, and category, we can find it later, or we can go for the next one. And if you close it, your new row is already there. So instead of maneuvering through the whole sheet by using scroll buttons to go to the right and then coming down, you can create those kind of forms which will be super easy for fast data entry. I hope it will be very useful tool for you, and you can use for your studies or for your job, on your job. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next session.